Hello. Okay, we're here to teach the Rattlin Bog for beginning whistle players. So what we're going to do is we're going to play through the tune slowly, and then we'll stop and we'll talk about the tune a little bit, and then we'll play it a little bit faster for people who might want some repetition at that faster speed. So again, first we'll play it slowly, and then stop and talk about it and teach it in pieces, and then play a little faster. So the Rattlin Bog. Starting on your B. All right. That might be a little fast, actually, for people who are just really beginning. So we'll play the A part. And again, starting on this note. Now in this case, I'm using my tongue and my breath to take that B and play it twice. So that's the opening phrase, kind of like the first word in a sentence. We'll play that again. So we're going kind of like down the ladder. We're playing each note, and then we're skipping one. Da, 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 ba, ba, okay? Now the next bit is a little tricky. So that bum, ba, da, da, da. So we're going to start on that nice low D. So it's the D, and then you pick it up three. The entire right hand comes off the whistle. So you've gone to the G, and you're going to go down that nice little half step to the F sharp. Then you hit all of the notes on the way up to the A. And now we play the same thing that we started with a little tag at the end that's different. So the low D, the high D, and then again you just walk down the ladder. The B part, you got that nice little starting on the G, that little da-da-da, where you're just climbing up the ladder, hitting every step, down to the G, and then back and forth. All right, we'll do that again. You could practice that phrase and just sit there and go. Just keep playing that phrase until it starts to happen naturally. The next part is. And we've already learned that from the A part of the tune. And then might have noticed a couple of little things I'm doing. Like at the end, I'm using what's called a tap to play those two Gs. You can just go, it's fine. Another thing I'm doing is, on that A, this note here, I'm lifting up this finger really fast to make that sound. Don't worry about it now. You'll figure it out later. All right, have fun. The Rattlin Bog.